Nestwell is a maternal nutrition support app that's built entirely in Java with only local storage, so no internet or accounts are required. It's based on four frameworks. The WHO FAO RNI from 2004 for nutrient guidelines, the DO which explains early nutrition, the EPDS for postpartum depression screening, and research by Dennis and Letourneau and partner support. The home screen gives immediate access to every feature, and each tile is color-coded with terracotta for nutrition tracking and sage for emotional completed states. There's also a session counter that shows continuity without needing to log in. The profile input screen drives all calculations. Entering week 28 selects third trimester nutritional targets with 2,400 calories and 27 milligrams of iron, but if breastfeeding is selected, iron drops to 9 milligrams, which reflects biological changes and since menstruation stops, so iron loss decreases. This level of adjustment just isn't found anywhere else. The dashboard shows four progress bars: calories, iron, folate, and calcium. When folate reaches above 80%, it turns sage, indicating healthy. Iron at 54% stays terracotta, which signals concern. Because iron is low, the app prioritizes iron-rich foods like spinach and lentils in the Today's Focus section. Importantly, there's no raw calorie numbers shown because earlier versions included them, but user testing showed that they increased anxiety. Users can log their daily mood, calm, neutral, or tired, and optionally add notes. For instance, selecting tired and writing a note like felt tired this morning saves an entry locally on the device. If a user logs tired three or more times in a week and their nutrition score continues to be low, the app detects a potential pattern, which is important because it flags when both emotional and nutritional issues align. Should alert partner returns true when some levels become concerning, which triggers the needs attention section, but it's shown as only a suggestion. The partner view turns this into three clear action steps, which is done backed by research by Dennis and Letourneau and shows that specific actions are more effective than general encouragement. For weight rationale, calories at zero point 0.3 and iron at zero point 0.3 have the highest weights. Dio had literature says identify energy deficiency and iron deficiency as two prenatal factors with the most direct impact on fetal development. Folate at 0.25 is weighted slightly lower because of its most critical period at the neural tube closure, which mainly occurs in the first trimester, but calcium has the lowest weight because its required levels are relatively stable. AND condition separates normal tired days from real risk and low nutrition plus sustained low mood, which is based on EPDS research. Flow diary activity saves entries, weekly report activity loads the last 7 days, and should alert partner checks the condition. If true, needs attention appears on partner actions update. Version 1 showed calories as 1,440 out of 2,000 calories in large text. Testers said this felt stressful. Version 2 kept a percentage, but users still found it evaluative, so version 3 removed all numerical display. The code change removed the calorie text element in its set text call. The data is still calculated internally and used for the nutrition score and should alert partner. For the partner feature, version 1 had none, but users said partners wanted to help, yet didn't know how. Version 2 added a summary, but it felt like a report, so version 3 replaced it with the three clear action steps, which was supported by research by Letourneau.